Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your hats, because a true legend is making her grand return with the new Atomic Eras Tour. After a little time away, the one and only Frankie Evans is back, and she's bringing her atomic Songbirds with her. I step on stage,
The lights hit her eye,
I hear them scream,
but it feels like life.
I give them everything, my voice, my soul, but deep inside I've lost control. The same old song,
The same old beat,
I'm running in circles.
she's stuck on repeat,
I smile and dance,
but it's all
so tune in and turn it up. Frankie is back, better than ever, and ready to swing you into the new atomic era.